What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, this is a collab video hosted by Kimberly Davis. I'll leave her channel information in the description box, but this collab is titled Show Some Love, and that's what I'm about to do. So I'm starting off with my first little Valentine's display, which is this cute little old-fashioned truck that I received from Christmas from my brother. What's up, Josh? And I wanted to add something Valentine's, but I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. So I found this little box, and I was like, oh, it'd be so cute if I could put like cute little gifts. So that's exactly what I did. I made the little balloon, as you see, because I wanted it to be like a foil balloon. Yeah, it took me forever to make. But I made the little balloon. My mom let me use her little teddy bear. And I made the little box of chocolate that the bear is holding. I hope y'all guys can see it, because I don't know if it's focusing that well. But I think it is so cute, guys. And can we say how cute my little truck is? I love it, guys. Alright, this is my main area that I did decorate, and it's like in my entry area of my house. You know, it's like them little dip-in corner things. So I decided like, oh, I could just add a cute, few little things. So that's exactly what I did. As you see, I have a light box, which I also DIY, and I'll link the video either at the end of this video or in the description box. Very easy, guys. And I love the way it turned out. And even the pom-poms that you're seeing, I made those as well, left over from Christmas actually. And I wanted to like have a little sweet something, because Valentine's, you bring a little sweetness in. So I did my little fake cake, as you already know I created, and my little girl, and I love her, and I made her as well. And this guy, my little elf that was in my Christmas video, I like, yo, he got red and white on, so I could flip him around for Valentine's Day as well. So I now have given him the new name of the elf that protects my heart. Yes, okay. So that is exactly what he is doing, and I love him. And the little garland that he is holding is going to be my little DIY. So let's get started with my DIY. Okay, guys, for this DIY, you're going to need a soda can box that, sodas come in, scissors, glitter, and Mod Podge. Let's get started, guys. Okay, let's begin with the soda can box. It's real simple, guys. All you're going to do is pick a side, any side, and cut it all the way down. Ouch. Can y'all even see this? And cut it all the way down. I'm not going to finish it, but I'm going to just show you what I did. So I already removed this whole side all the way to the bottom, and I'll show you the next step, guys. Once you have your panel removed as such, then you're gonna cut smaller strips, about 1 inch strips, and just going all the way from end to end. Okay, once you have your 1 inch strip cut, then you're gonna fold it in half. And then cut it. Just like that. So once you cut it in half, then you're going to start an accordion fold. And just a simple fold like that. And that's probably about 1 inch as well. And just continue folding, and of course, until you get to the end. Now if you have extra at the end like I do, just simply even it off. Bam! Alrighty, so this is how your accordion bow will look. Now this step is very important. Before you start do your heart shape, make sure you have an edge right here and an edge right here. I should say a fold, and then that's the way you want your design to go. So you can freestyle a heart, but I did a stencil of a heart because I want them to both be similar to the garland thing that I'm making. But you could easily just freestyle a heart. So I'm going to trace this heart onto my accordion fold, and I'll be right back with the next step. Okay, you're going to freestyle a heart or use a template or what have you. So this is how my heart looks. Focus, focus, focus. Now I wanted to show you how my folds are still on both sides. And you want to make sure that your design allows you just to cut that, leaving that fold intact. If you don't cut it right, you're going to end up with this. Separate little pieces because you didn't keep the fold on there. So be careful, guys. And if you cut it right, this is what you're going to end up with. La-da! How cute is that, guys? I'm going to try to start a cut, but I'm telling you guys, that's why we cut the strip in half. Since this cardboard, or whatever you want to call it, is of course thicker than your average paper. So you're going to have to get some nice scissors and some strength in your hands, okay? Because, baby, I'm already Hercules over this piece. So anyway, you just start your cut. And I'm trying to cut while I'm looking at that doggone camera, guys, so bear with me. And you just cut on that, on your whatchamacallit. Boom. And see how that fold look. So you want to keep that intact, and so you're going to go around it. So y'all get the gist. And then you're going to do the same over here. You're just going to cut that little piece off and just cut that little straight line, leaving that side attached. I hope that helps a little bit, guys. Okay, so once you have both of your strip done, now you could just simply maybe glue it, but you could also put a hole punch in it on both of them. Try to keep it even on this side. I don't know how that H is gonna do it. I guess just eye it maybe. Yeah, I'm the worst. Doing this on camera is like 100 times harder. Alrighty. Boom. And then I'll show you what you do next. So I got holes in both. And then you have a nice connected garland. Now I recommend doing this step after you add your glitter, and if you choose to paint it. But I just wanted to show you how you can connect it, and you can make this as long as you like. So just connect. And I think that is so cute in an inexpensive way to have a cute little heart garland. And this is the hearts painted. So I just wanted to give you an example before I add the glitter to it of how it looks when it's just painted. I painted both sides. You could paint one side, what have you, but this is actually spray paint, a primer. But you could use regular just acrylic paint whatever. And once again, you don't even have to use paint. I just wanted to use paint so my glitter will pop out more. So this is just an example to show you how it looked plain white. Okay, so once your paint is dry, if you choose to go the painting route, all you're going to do is then get your decoupage glue or whatever glue you're going to use, and then paint the glue on as such. So I want to paint the hearts that I'm about to sprinkle with the glitter, and I'll be right back, guys. And there you have it, guys, how I created this cute little heart garland. Real easy and inexpensive. Also, a part of this collab, we had to show 3 things that we love. Other than my family, my son, my mother, my brother, everybody else in my family, I wanted to go with things I like to collect, okay? So I don't want y'all to be thinking, oh, she didn't even say her family. Yes, y'all, that's to me a no, that's a given. So I wanted to show y'all other things that I love. And one thing I love and I also collect are little churches. Oh my God, y'all, I love churches. And this one in particular is my new favorite. Another thing I love to collect and love are angels. I have them throughout my whole house. And this middle angel is was given to me by my mom, which I really like. And it's also a bell. And then this particular angel I really, really hold dear to my heart because it was my Aunt Boo's angel. And she have passed away. So these 2 angels, as you see, I keep front and center. Okay. Last but not least, I love candles, guys. Candles. I love them. And I love this one in particular because my son gave it to me for Christmas. This is his first legit Christmas gift to me that he actually paid for. So he was very, very proud of it, guys. And this, of course, I got from Target. It smelled like cotton candy. Oh my God, y'all, it smells so good. And I love it. I haven't burned it yet because, I don't know about you guys. I like burning it when my house is extra clean and it's like extra special day or something. So this is a super special candle to me, and just opening it and smelling it is more than enough for me. So I haven't burned it yet. And as you see, these are additional, like the DIY, but it's in white to go with this little decor. Thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you, Kimberly, for hosting another awesome collab. If y'all are new to my channel and you would like to subscribe, go ahead and hook it up. And if y'all like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. I see you guys next Friday.